Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kulay fi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Sian kasur ka jelakan penbenano ya ka khubor lai kam ba palat lai hajar teli ki kam jong ki kerdan bapher hapo ketenat home police but palat sanspa teli ki kam hapo ketenat civil defense and home guard yathu menteri but nong ai ketien kasur ka ruba polling do syakilat pathai khubor hadin ke jinyalang jong ka kenhun menteri kabala menjur kabala long menhaka arp sautrik ukala lingkot ka kenhun menteri kabala menjur lang ka yakarta kabarit minimum but bahe du maximum hak ka jing thungkam hak ki sautli kitna sorkar ka civil defense home guard excise registration taxation and stamp ERTS forest and environment bat katanat home police jong ka sorkar jelah ulo ong ba namar ka jing dawa ka kam ya ka bormet kasnem bala duna bala bu lala ka jong bat kumjuru ya kasnem bahedu ha ka jingdon kam ha ki sautli kitanat kini kide kisnem ber kabalong hapo ka khatpra arpu snem bat usnem bat kasnem bahedu kalarai da ka kenhun menteri manhakasngi mentakas dari kini de kisnem ber kabalong hapdang khatpra minus arpuoi snem bat usnem bat kasnem bahedu larai da ka kenhun menteri mentagasngi la bu banlong nadu arp news snem na benta katnat ERTS hadu laipo arsnem hakatnat civil defense an home guard syaka laipo minus laipo arsnem haka forest and environment but arpo snem kumkas snem barit but arpo news snem kabahedu na benta katnat kampo ying ulaong shushu da ka shimpor saar hadu laitayo ban penbena ya kenika kubor lai kam bat ni day ban la pendep ya ka kam hapo ka arbenai banwan ula
and also the need to have younger lot of people serving us in these various posts, which is why we have considered a minimum age limit which is different from the other departments as well as the upper age limit. A certain number of departments are following their own office memorandums, okay, which have not been regularized by way of their coming up and being part of the service rules which require the approval of the cabinet. So what we have done today is those various OMs have been incorporated into the service rules so that they form part and parcel of one single set of financial rules of the state of Meghalaya.
What about the qualifications? That age is limited to the 18 to 21.
No, that you're talking of the other matter.
Yeah.
As I was trying to explain to you, see, these would include posts, for instance, of junior scale MPS posts, then UB, AB, SIs. All of these posts are those which require people who will be younger in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today.
For filling up the over 3,000 vacancies in the police department, any time frame being set?
As I said, we will take another 2 to 3 weeks to advertise, and we should be in a position to complete the process within the next 2 months.
So this will address the shortage of manpower?
It's going to be a huge game changer because as you might have seen, there is a clear deficit of manpower, and this will help address that problem.
How about these 3,000 vacancies in the home police department? How many are lying vacant because of retirement, and how many because of the need? We have to advertise freshly.
Considering the number of vacancies and also the fresh posts that have been created, it comes to that figure of 3,000 plus.
No, that's what if you have a separate figure like.
No,
how
today we
many
only
vacancies
approved.
arise because of retirement.
No, today what we did was we were only briefed about the progress made so far, but when it comes to details, those will be shared with you subsequently.